unboxing time. And this unboxing is brought to you by Kunuku Coffee Roasters. Well, it's been a while since they've been, mentioned in the channel, but I rest assured that they have been supporting it in the background. I'm still hoping for that lifetime coffee supply, but I think it's falling into that ear. But we'll see. We'll keep promoting them until they do so. So, there's no secret what we're unboxing this time around. This is another one from Venezianico, one of the favorites of the channel, because not only are we reviewing like a ton of Venezianico stuff, but because this brand is awesome, and also congratulations to them. They've been recently nominated, or two of their watches have been nominated in the GPHG. I'm so jealous. I want to be nominated as well. One day I will be there. Even if it had to be a pirated, hackneyed, hijacked version of a nomination. But it's not about me, guys. It's about Venezianico this time around. In this video, you could see, obviously, the white Venezianico box. Get that out of the way. The sleeve also goes out of the way, as always. There it is. Take a sip of coffee. Yes. Now, this will be launched very, very soon. And OMG. Now look at that. Look at that thing. Gold! Like gold member from that very popular movie. But this is another one of Venezianico's amazing and, dare I say, tasteful iterations of their Nereide. This is the Nereide Aureo. Is it Oreo? Is that how it's pronounced? Oreo? I'm not even sure. You see, I unboxed this, not even like turning on my other light. There. That's a little bit more favorable right there. The Venezianico Nereide. Actually, it's written there. What does it say? Let's move that hand out of the way. What does it say there? Aureo. Okay, Aureo. Not Oreo, not the cookie. But this is as tasteful as that cookie. This is so sweet. Look at that. And look at this bracelet. Look at this bracelet here. Let me just... Oh. I know there are some folks out there that love these peeling videos. And I must admit, it does feel nice when you peel these off. And this is the first time I'm seeing this bracelet. Of course, like all of my unboxing videos, I did not do my research on what Venezianico calls this bracelet. But it's very likely that they call it something like really, really nice. Look at that bracelet. I love it. Now this one kind of gives a sort of brightening vibe to it with a little bit of the Jubilee bracelet feel. But yeah, this is really nice. Look at that. Oh, and by the way, Venezianico said that the end link will be updated, so this is not the end link that you're going to see for the actual final production. But man, this already is looking very, very nice. Of course, that bezel feels really, really good. Those indexes, very nice. Why am I reviewing this? Come on. Comment down below, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this very new Nereide. It's also a tungsten, huh? It's also a tungsten bezel. Nereide Aureo. Does it have like a really good, a different case back? Let's see. I think it is. It also has a different case back. There it is. Let me try it on my wrist. Also, this Alto 8 Roto will be reviewed very, very soon. Sorry, Alto 8. It's taking me a while. I have so many commitments. And there we go. 42 millimeters, and it still fits my gentle wrist. Yes, that's a gentle wrist, guys. I'm as manly as can be, but my wrist can be as gentle as a soft sleeping manly pirate. Emphasis on manly. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this gold dial. This is 24 karat gold dial Nereide. And of course, like what we always been saying with these unboxing videos, those really good and interesting comments will make it into the actual video review. Again, that's the Nereide Aureo from Venezianico.